Kia ora, I'm Emma Dent and welcome back to the latest episode of the Video Weekly Diary series. We'll kick things off with our notable events of the week. Infertility announced a $300 million equity raising comprising a fully underwritten $250 million institutional placement and an approximately $50 million non-underwritten share purchase plan. Proceeds from the equity raising will provide additional balance sheet flexibility to fund growth investments across Infertility's existing portfolio companies and take advantage of new opportunities that may arise as a result of current market conditions. MetLife Care issued a notice of meeting where it will ask shareholders to back its litigation against buyout suitor EQT. The retirement village operator said that underlying profit remains to be on track at around $88 million in the 12 months ending 30th of June, compared to $90.5 million a year earlier. The Warehouse Group Limited announced their intention to undergo an organisational structure change and a shift to an agile operating model and a reduction in roles. Warehouse securities fell 4.2% across the week. The S&P NZX rebalance announcement was released on Friday. Napier Port are moving into the S&P NZX 50 and Gentrack are moving out. Infertility are moving into the S&P NZX 10 and Sky City are moving out. And Somerset are moving into the S&P NZX 20 while Air New Zealand are moving out. The rebalance is effective from the open of trading on the 22nd of June and we expect to see increased trading on that Friday. Let's take a look at our weekly recap. The total value traded for the week was $1.1 billion, with 70% of that value traded on market. The total number of trades for the week was 374,000. The S&P NZX 50 fell 2.3%, closing the week at 10,905. In global markets, the S&P 500 fell 4.7%, while the ASX fell 2.5%. Further information on the weekly recap, including the value and volume of the NZX Top 10 securities, can be found in the weekly diary. And finally, our week ahead. We have Pushpay and Z Energy holding AGMs during the week, along with GDT Event 262. As mentioned earlier, we expect to see some increased trading volumes on Friday as fund managers reweight their portfolios. Thank you for watching the weekly diary video. Don't forget to check out the weekly diary in the links below for more information and have a great week.